today's video, we will cut fruits and learn their names. This is corn.
Amazing!
Let's cut it. Amazing.
Wow!
This is carrot. What is your favorite fruit? We got carrots.
Amazing!
Wow, mango. This is grapes.
Wow!
Grapes is very tasty. This is star fruits. This is pineapple.
Wow!
A strawberry.